Subscribe our channel Al Sayyid Quran Academy and press the bell icon.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Qari Abu Sa'id from Al Sayyid Quran Academy. Today inshallah we are going to start Takhti number 7, lesson number 7 of Noorani Qaida. So before starting the video, if you or any of your family members are interested to learn Quran online, the number that is visible on the screen, you can contact us through WhatsApp. So without wasting time, we start our lesson. Dear viewers, and lesson number 7, we studied Khadi Zabar, Khadi Zair and Ulta Pesh. This is the name of standing fatha, standing kasra and standing inverted dhamma, but in Urdu. What we call to them in English, but so easy. Look it, if you remember, in lesson number 4, we studied fatha, kasra, dhamma, okay? How was the shape of fatha? The fatha shape was like that, fatha. And the kasra shape was like that, same, okay? But the dhamma shape was like that, if you remember. But this is same like fatha, kasra, dhamma, okay? But just we add before fatha standing, okay? Before fatha, we add the word of standing. For example, we call it standing fatha, okay? Standing fatha, standing kasra. This is inverted dhamma, okay? It was fatha, kasra, dhamma. But this is standing fatha, standing kasra and inverted dhamma. Inshallah, I hope you understand well. Remember, we prolong the standing fatha, standing kasra and inverted dhamma equal to 1 alif, okay? We prolong these words equal to 1 alif. For example, ba, standing fatha, ba, okay? Like madda, but not too much, just equal to 1 alif, okay? I hope inshallah you understand well. Let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Ba standing fatha ba, ba standing kasra bi, ba inverted dhamma bu, ba bi bu. Ya standing fatha ya, ya standing kasra yi, ya inverted dhamma you, ya yi you. Ra standing fatha ra, ra standing kasra ri, ra inverted dhamma ru, ra ri ru. Mim standing fatha ma, mim standing kasra mi, mim inverted dhamma mu, ma mi mu. Lam standing fatha la, lam standing kasra li, lam inverted dhamma lu, la li lu. Waw standing fatha wa, waw standing kasra wi, waw inverted dhamma wu, wa wi wu. Noon standing fatha na, noon standing kasra ni, noon inverted dhamma nu, na ni nu. Hamza standing fatha a, Hamza standing kasra i, Hamza inverted dhamma oo, a, e, oo. Ha standing fatha ha, ha standing kasra hi, ha inverted dhamma hu, ha, he, hu. Ain standing fatha a, ain standing kasra I, ain inverted dhamma u, a, I, u. Ghain standing fatha gha, ghain standing kasra ghi, ghain inverted dhamma ghu, gha, ghi, ghu. Ha standing fatha ha, ha standing kasra hi, ha inverted dhamma hu, ha, hi, hu. Page number 12. Kha standing fatha kha, kha standing kasra khi, kha inverted dhamma khu, kha, khi, khu. Ta standing fatha ta, ta standing kasra ti, ta inverted dhamma tu, ta, ti, tu. Tha standing fatha tha, tha standing kasra thi, tha inverted dhamma thu, tha, thi, thu. Jim standing fatha ja, jim standing kasra ji, jim inverted dhamma ju, ja, ji, ju. Dal standing fatha da, dal standing kasra di, dal inverted dhamma du, da, di, du. Dal standing fatha da, dal standing kasra di, dal inverted dhamma du, da, di, du. Za standing fatha za, za standing kasra zi, za inverted dhamma zu, za, zi, zu. Sin standing fatha sa, sin standing kasra si, sin inverted dhamma su, sa, si, su. Sheen standing fatha sha, sheen standing kasra shi, sheen inverted dhamma shu, sha, shi, shu. Sad standing fatha sa, sad standing kasra swi, sad inverted dhamma su, sa, swi, su. Dot standing fatha da, dot standing kasra dwi, dot inverted dhamma du, da, dwi, du. Ta standing fatha ta, ta standing kasra twi, ta inverted dhamma tu, ta, twi, tu. Za standing fatha za, za standing kasra zwi, za inverted dhamma zu, za, zwi, zu. Fa standing fatha fa, fa standing kasra fi, fa inverted dhamma fu, fa, fi, fu. Qaf standing fatha qa, qaf standing kasra qi, qaf inverted dhamma qu, qa, qi, qu. Kaf standing fatha ka, kaf standing kasra ki, kaf inverted dhamma ku, ka, ki, ku. Hamza standing fatha a, hamza standing kasra I, hamza inverted dhamma o, a, E, O. Ha standing fatha ha. Ha standing kasra he. Ha inverted dhamma ho. Ha he ho. Wow standing fatha wa. Wow standing kasra we. Wow inverted dhamma wo. Wa we wo. Ha standing fatha ha standing kasra he. Ha inverted dhamma ho. Ha he ho. Hamza standing fatha. Hamza standing kasra e. Hamza inverted dhamma o. A e o. Alhamdulillah, we read with spelling, but once again we're going to read without spelling. You must read after me, okay? It must be better for you. Ba bi bu ya yi yu ra ri ru ma mi mu la li lu wa wi wu na ni nu a i u ha hi hu a i u غا غي غو حا حي حو خا خي خو تا تي تو ثا ثي ثو جا جي جو دا دي دو ذا ذي ذو زا زي زو سا سي سو شا شي شو صا صي سو ضا ضي ضو طا طي طو ظا زي زو فا في فو قا قي قو كا كي كو آ إي أو ها هي هو وا وي وو ha he ho a e o. I hope inshallah you understand this lesson well. But at the end I'm going to ask you some question related with this lesson. The first question is this: what is the difference between fatha, kasra, dhamma, or standing fatha, standing kasra, or standing inverted dhamma? The second question is this: how much we must prolong standing fatha, standing kasra, and inverted dhamma? I ask you just two questions, but you must give me answer in a comment box.